Lothreich Metrology Ltd. is a family-owned company whose beginnings date back to 1991. The road to business excellence is a long-distance journey. At Lothreich Metrology, they want to go beyond what is expected and foster a sustainable mindset.
Vodenje družinskega podjetja je odgovorno tako do sodelavcev, sodelov, do družinskih članov in partnerjev. Zato smo oblikovali družinsko ustavo, ki skupaj z trajnostno strategijo postavlja podjetje ob bok največjim igralcem.
The main activity is the implementation of metrology procedures. With 199 accredited procedures, they are at the very top of laboratories in Europe, and they have seen intense growth in recent years. For this purpose, the company has developed its own Kutri IT support, started entering foreign markets, and gained the status of a reference partner.
Podjetje je z letom 2009 pridobilo temelj za delovanje v tujini, to je programsko okolje Q3. Danes skupina obsega 11 podjetij v 7 državah, kjer deluje več kot 160 strokovnjakov na področju meroslovja.
The EFQM model has been successfully used since 2006. For achievements in its path of excellence, they received the highest national recognition for business excellence in 2013. Progress over the years is monitored through self-assessment. The organization's contribution to raising awareness of the importance of metrology and business excellence is important to both the professional and the general public.
Ker nas meritve obkrožajo na vsakem koraku, jih moramo razumeti. Zato smo ponosni na širjenje znanja o meroslovju v celotni izobraževalni verigi. V pomoč nam je model EFQM, ki ga delimo med vse deležnike.
They are the only provider of all-in-one metrology solutions on the Slovenian market. With a strategic focus on developing their own products, Exactum and Trames, they account for 45% of the market share.
Do leta 2015 smo bili prepoznani predvsem kot storitveno podjetje. Takrat pa smo ustanovili svoj lasten oddelek razvoja, kjer skupaj s sodelavci razvijamo svoje lastne merilne stroje in nadzorne sisteme. Vsi naši proizvodi so popolnoma prilagojeni zahtevam strank, tako rekoč so unikatni.
The company's development path is a testament to how useful learning and improvement can be. By using the EFQM excellence model, they are able to successfully fulfill the organization's vision and mission.